Keep in mind that none of these balms need to be wiped off before nursing, and all are safe for newborns from day one. Make sure the only ingredient listed on the bottle is tocopherol acetate. That is pure vitamin E, my #1 favorite balm, which is an antioxidant serum that also helps support baby's immune system. Cocoa butter promotes youthful skin, and I like it because it can be used all over the body. It's only #2 because it makes babies' farts and poops smelly. I'm not a huge fan of the coconut oil's consistency changes, but if it's used in the right container, this balm is perfect because its antifungal properties will help in preventing infection. Shea butter is another one that most people have right on hand, and that is why it's on my list. Its thick consistency works as a protective barrier and helps regenerate your skin. So there you have it, my favorite nursing balms.